It is Friday, the 24th of March 2022, and it feels like the worst weather in China has just started to begin in the last couple of days from all around of many different regions in China. The first area I would like to talk about is in Guiyang province, which is, you can see on the map, very close to Chongqing, to near Chengdu. If you're related to the Three Gorges Dam, it's quite far away. And severe winter weather has hit there. Yikes, dangerous stuff.
看一下，这是我第一次见到这样的。哎，这种地方。
Have seen on mainstream media like on CNN we have sandstorms in the north and northeastern parts of China, including Beijing, affected by cold air, high winds swept eastward, even getting to North Korea. These are some sandstorms in China which are happening now. Is not all. If we go to Henan province, you can see that they have heavy snowfall and sudden blizzards. What is the weather forecast over the next couple of days? Well, for 44.8 seconds, let me leave you with an update of what's happening in near enough all of China over this period or this forthcoming period of time. Is this related to global warming? Well, China is the worst offender for global warming, not the people, the government. They say one thing and do another thing entirely. And This is the beginning of the season in China when you're going to have extreme weather, unpredictable weather. It happens every year, and later we will see throughout the year. You can near enough guarantee this every year that there will be some floods, there will be snow in the middle of June, there may be hail, there may be some weird kind of skies. Like last year in Shanghai, you had red sky delight where the whole sky was red. This is China for you, related to between now and near enough the end of August. My name is James. This is Buzz Buzz Buzz. Please do like, subscribe and share, and I will see you very soon for more info and news about the Republic. No, can I re-say that again? The People's Republic of China. Thank you and good day.